Okay, this video is going to talk about the formulas we use for finding the areas of different squares. We know that a square is a rectangle, so we can do length times width, but we also know that the sides of a square are all the same. So side times side would be the area of a square. We know the perimeter is 4 times one side, and then we know that the diagonal is radical 2 times one of the sides. We know that in a square, the diagonal creates two 45, 45 right triangles. So we can use our 45, 45, 90 rules. Now we're going to look at a basic example here with a square. Let's take a look at the example we're going to do here today. With that, it says find the area of a square if the diagonal is 12 inches long. Again, like I said with the rectangle problems, first thing we want to do is we want to draw a picture. So we draw a picture here of a square. They're telling us that the diagonal is 12 inches long. So we're going to say that that is 12. Now, for us to find the area of the square, we have to be able to find the length of each side. Well, we know each side is the same length, so I'm just going to make the side lengths x. If I want to find x, we know that we could utilize the Pythagorean theorem, or we could even utilize our right triangle rules. I'm just going to go ahead and do the Pythagorean theorem. So we've got x squared plus x squared, because here's my right angle, is equal to 12 squared. So we combine our terms, we get 2x squared equals 144. If I then take that and divide by 2, I get x squared is equal to 72. And then if I take the square root of both sides, I get x to be equal to the square root of 72. Now, if I want to find the area of this square, I am going to take side times side, so basically that is the square root of 72 times the square root of 72. And we know when we multiply the same radical together, that just gives me the number under the radical. So this would be 72. Our unit of measure is inches, so this would be 72 inches squared. And that would be the area of my square.